Well, I can tell you, I'm truly delighted to join you, Peter, and thank you very much for that.
Well, the stage is set for a stirring showdown here. The supporters in great voice, and there's a real sense of anticipation in the air. Game on. We have already started here. There's the shot! And that is certainly not what he had in mind.
Well, it's almost like he had too much thinking time there, Peter.
That's been slipped through. Takes a shot! And he's done it! There is the breakthrough!
Oh, he did so well to hold his run and stay on side, Peter. That was really clever.
It is a super start. So far, so very good. And he's managed to get free. Decent chance! It's in! And once more we are all square. You score, we score.
Well, going behind has simply triggered a collective determination to hit back, and they merit nothing less.
Kan ada juga
Piercing and with pinpoint accuracy, he forces it through.
Yeah, Peter, I think we've got to give the keeper some slack here because he didn't have the greatest view of that, but you've got to give the scorer his due as well. I mean, he had that sharpness of mind and clinical edge.
That has certainly met face-to-face with the keeper. Oh, shooting chance! Oh, fine stop from the keeper.
Really looked sharp there, didn't he? That's very well played. Well, height could make all the difference on these set pieces.
Oh, smashing header! Went with his head, but couldn't steer it in. Played into space. Just the goalkeeper to beat. Played back. Midway through the foot. Good chance here! And that's off target.
Well, let's just consider that one a rangefinder, Peter. It certainly wasn't troubling the goalkeeper.
Lovely pass, but can he get there? He's through here. And into the grateful arms of the keeper. Nicely shaped ball. That ball looks a good one. That's the keeper's ball. And that's put paid to a promising move. That has been slung wide. Oh, that's fabulous. He's in a great position here. And he's straight offside. Opts for safety. Aimed beyond the defence. And that's gone all the way through to the keeper. Challenged just a bit on the firm side. Yeah, that does look a foul. Referee's given a free kick. And no surprise, that's a booking. Well seen, saw that coming.
He read that really well and stopped it.
And back to the keeper they go.
2 added minutes has been indicated.
He's had it taken off him. Well, that is one way to stop him. And it's half-time here. Nothing to separate the two teams at half-time. They've both given it a really good go, and they head into the break all sweat. How's the first half compared with your expectation?
Well, both sides would have expected a closely fought match, and that's pretty much what we've got so far. The early exchanges, I think, in this second half will be worth keeping an eye on to see if any adjustments have been made to change things.
So when they come for the break with nothing to separate them, the score 1-1. And hostilities have resumed at the start of the second half. And he shoots! Oh, he's really drilled it.
Well, that would have asked some awkward questions of the keeper had it stayed on target.
Now it's Wang Hee-chan. Tries from a long way out. That is a super hit, but it was always just off target.
Well, the keeper looks perplexed. That was hit with real ferocity. And again, they're pressing effectively.
Oh, he's taken out. That'll be a foul. And he's going to have his name taken. And now they can clear their lines. Oh, the ball's gone astray. Whistle's gone, that's a foul. The referee has resisted the temptation to go to his pocket. It's just a stern lecture. He's picked his way through. Oh, he's going to be pulled back for that one. The ref's been lenient here. I doubt he'll get too many more chances.
Oh, Peter, what a lucky boy. A telling off as opposed to a sending off.
Danger averted for now.
Well, that's good defending. He squeezed the play and he gave him no chance to get on the turn.
Jose Sarr. That's a cute ball. And he's intervened well there. Is that a foul? Yes, the referee's given it. And that's going to be a booking.
Look, we can't say that's a surprise, Peter. He knew what the consequences were. He really did.
Oh, emang. Tengo pulang ya.
Engages and forces him off the ball. Lovely feet.
Bembeng.
Excellent challenge there, uncompromising.
Concentration levels are very good, and so is the commitment. This game could yet yield a winner.
And the whistle has gone for a reckless challenge there. And he has shown him a yellow card.
Dead.
He's got away. Gets his head on it! No mistake! Into the lead once more. Satisfyingly simple. There's almost a sense of beauty to this.
He did so well there, attacking the ball the way he did. He got a strong forehead behind that one.
So we have a breakthrough. Now how will things develop from here? And he's had a hit! And that has skimmed the post.
Oh, did the keeper have that covered? I'm not sure he did. I think I need a replay on that one.
Aduh, makanya itu dari situ. Memang nggak ada penalti itu. Bangun. Ada di belakang. Tampung. Tampung ya.
6 added minutes has been indicated.
Aduh, mama. Lihat, Mang.
That's that, the end. A game of margins, of thrills, the sort of game that is a great advertisement for our sport. Sad in a way that somebody had to lose. Any reflections on what you've seen, Jim?
Well, just a quick